With its promise to redefine the very definition of luxury and adventure, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome's introduction is a turning point in the RV industry. This is not just another RV. It is a painstakingly constructed masterpiece that combines an unparalleled degree of luxurious living with the renowned durability and engineering skill of Kenworth. You've never seen a camper this luxurious. Raises the standard unreasonably high, implying a car that goes beyond accepted norms and into the world of ultimate mobile luxury. External design, a harmony of power and elegance. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome's exterior demonstrates the company's dedication to form over utility while adding a dash of automotive creativity. Inspired by the brand's recognizable truck designs, anticipate a strong, yet elegant, appearance and a dominating presence with sleek, aerodynamic lines. The chassis, which is unquestionably a sturdy Kenworth basis, would provide this amazing invention the strength and stability it needs. Premium, high-gloss paint treatments would be used on the bodywork, perhaps accompanied by unique designs or delicate chrome elements that convey the vehicle's opulent purpose. In order to preserve a sleek appearance, large, panoramic windows that provide wide vistas will be effortlessly blended into the bodywork. Its functionality and elegant appearance would be improved by well-considered design features like integrated aerodynamic fairings, concealed storage spaces, and maybe even a movable awning system. The interior of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is where the never-seen-this luxurious feature really shines. The living area would surpass the best five-star hotels thanks to Tiffin's tradition of superb craftsmanship and attention to detail. With several slide-outs that significantly increase the living space, once the motorhome is stationary, the floor design would be incredibly roomy. Living and dining, equipped with luxurious, custom-designed sofas and armchairs covered in fine leather or upscale textiles, the main living room would be a comfortable retreat. An welcoming atmosphere might be produced with a huge HD smart TV, an advanced music system, and maybe even a gorgeous fireplace. An exquisite table and chairs would be in the dining area, ideal for entertaining visitors or holding small dinner parties. Gourmet galley, with top-of-the-line residential-style appliances including a full-sized refrigerator, a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and plenty of solid-surface workspace. The kitchen would be a gourmet's paradise. All of your gourmet demands would have ample storage thanks to custom cabinetry. Bathrooms and master suite. With a king-sized bed and fine linens, a spacious closet, and an entertainment system of its own, the master bedroom would be a secluded haven. With a large glass enclosed shower, a sophisticated vanity with solid surface counters, and a high-efficiency toilet, the en-suite bathroom would be a spa-like haven. Similar degrees of comfort and sophistication would be provided in guest bathrooms. With its integration of cutting-edge technologies for comfort and performance, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome would be a force for innovation. With the help of touchscreens or a smartphone app, a sophisticated smart home automation system would make it simple to operate the lighting, climate, entertainment, and security systems. A powerful yet elegant diesel engine would be mounted beneath the Kenworth chassis, providing enough power for easy towing and smooth highway riding. Lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree video system are examples of advanced driver support technologies that would improve safety and lessen driver fatigue. In summary, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is expected to revolutionize the industry by providing its passengers with an environment of unmatched comfort, luxury, and technical sophistication in addition to being a vehicle that carries them. It embodies the ultimate in mobile living and is well deserving of its claim to be the most opulent camper ever seen.